Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start her up. I'm thinking it is either a cam chain tensioner issue or that my valves are out of adjustment and that they're rattling around. Not really sure, but go ahead and get her started.